10ஆம் வகுப்பு பொதுத் தேர்வு எழுதும் அனைத்து மாணவர்களுக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த காணொளியில் 10ஆம் வகுப்பு அறிவியல் பாடத்தின் பயாலஜி பகுதியில் உள்ள ஒரு மதிப்பெண்களின் வினாவிடைகள் தொகுத்து வழங்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. இது தேர்வுக்கு முன்பாக பயிற்சி எடுப்பதற்கு பயனுள்ளதாக இருக்கும் என நினைக்கிறேன். எனவே மாணவர்கள் இந்த காணொளியை பயன்படுத்தி பயன்பெறுமாறு பயன்பெற வேண்டுகிறேன். Unit 17 Reproduction in Plants and Animals. 1. Syngamy results in the formation of zygote. Syngamy result in the formation of zygote. 2. The essential part of flower are androecium and gynoecium. 3. Male gametes in angiosperms are formed by the division of generative cell. Knowledge. What is true of gametes? They are formed from gonads. 5. A single highly coiled tube where sperms are stored, get concentrated and mature is known as. A single highly coiled tube where sperms are stored, get concentrated and mature is known as epididymis. 6. A large elongated cells that provide nutrition to developing sperms are. Sertoli cells. 7. Estrogen is secreted by Graafian follicles. அடுத்தது 18th lesson genetics. According to Mendel, alleles have the following characters. Responsible for character. 9. 9:3:1 ratio is due to. 9:3:1 ratio is due to independent assortment. 10. The region of chromosome where the spindle fibers get attached during cell division. The region of the chromosome where the spindle fibers get attached during cell division. Centromere. 11. The dash units form the backbone of DNA. Sugar phosphate. 12. Wagasagi fragments are joined together by. joined together by DNA leakase. DNA leakase. 13. The number of chromosomes found in human beings are. The number of chromosomes found in human beings are 22 pair of autosomes and 1 pair of allosomes. அடுத்தது 19வது lesson, 19th lesson. Origin and evolution of life. 1. The use and disuse theory was proposed by. The use and disuse theory was proposed by Jean Baptiste Lamarck. Jean Baptiste Lamarck. 15. The term ethnobotany was coined by. The term ethnobotany was coined by J.W. Horsberger. J.W. Horsberger. 16. Which Unit 20, Breeding and Biotechnology. 16. Which method of crop improvement can be practiced by a farmer if he is inexperienced? Which method of crop improvement can be practiced by a farmer if he is inexperienced? Mass selection. 17. Which of the following is used to produce useful to human by biotechnology techniques? Which of the following is used to produce product useful to human by biotechniques? Enzymes form organism, live organism. Enzymes from organism, live organism. Both A and B. 18. Tobacco consumption, health and diseases. 18. Tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline. This component causing this could be. Tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline. The component causing this could be nicotine. Nicotine. 19. World No Tobacco Day is observed on. World No Tobacco Day is observed on May 31st. May 31st. 20. The cancer cells are more easily damaged by radiation than normal cells because they are. Cancer cells are more easily damaged by radiations than normal cells because they are undergoing rapid division. Undergoing rapid division. 21. Which type of cancer affect lymph nodes and spleen? Which types of cancer affects lymph node and spleen? Lymphoma. Lymphoma. 22. Excessive consumption of alcohol leads to excessive consumption of alcohol leads to cirrhosis of liver. cirrhosis of liver. 23. Cancer of epithelial cells is called. Cancer of epithelial cells is called carnisoma. carnisoma. 24. Metastasis is associated with. Metastasis is associated with malignant tumor. Malignant tumor. 25. Where does alcohol affect immediately after drinking? Where does alcohol affect immediately after drinking? Central nervous system. Central nervous system. 20. Unit 22. Environmental management. 26. Which of the following is or a fossil fuel? Coal, petroleum. C. Coal and petroleum. 27. The gas releases from vehicle exhaust are carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen. D. Carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen. 28. A renewable source of energy is. A renewable source of energy is trees. 29. An inexhaustible resources is. An inexhaustible resources is wind power. Wind power. 30. Common energy source in village is. Common energy source in village is wood and animal dung. Wood and animal dung. 31. Greenhouse effects refer to. Greenhouse effect refer to warming of earth. Warming of earth. 32. A chief conventional commercial inexhaustible source of energy is. A chief conventional commercial and inexhaustible source of energy is wind energy. Wind energy. 33. Global warming will cause. Global warming will cause. D. All the above. Rise in level of oceans, melting of glaciers, sinking of islands. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.